Alright, today is April 13th rather. We're doing a repairability attempt on 4940 West Concord Place in Chicago. And you can see here we have nice, good test shingle to do our repairability test on. What I have to do in order to get this repaired, in order to get this shingle out, in order to repair it, I have to break the seal along the whole shingle. This, being wind damaged, is already done. You see minimal mat transfer at this point in time, a little bit over here. However, when breaking the seal on these next ones, we will have to see. Left side over there, a little bit of mat transfer.
And again, just very minimally lifting at these shingles just so we can unseal them here.
There's some,
we got some more, quite a bit of mat transfer.
Some over here as well.
Yeah. Right by the tip,
right there. But in order to remove the shingle, I gotta break the seal on these ones as well.
Again, trying to remove these as gently as possible.
And it is a nice warm day, 75-ish degrees. It should be coming up easier than they are. You can see when trying to do this one that we're not initially supposed to repair, just tear up. We see mat transfer under here.
Right.
But we have to get it in order to get to this nail. To the next one. Once this shingle is fully out, we'll be able to see the mat transfer from the bottom of this shingle to the fuller extent. But still, a good amount here. These shingles are brittle, so trying our best. And because this is nailed all the way up here, we have to remove and break the seal of these ones up here as well. Too. Now again, this one's not supposed to be replaced, but we do see mat transfer a little bit over here as well, adding to the total that we are supposed to be replacing today. One come right out. Alright, so on this one, as we said, mat transfer clearly observable here. here, a little bit here and here, even more so as we keep going down.
Quite a bit here as well.
Here as well. Here, over here especially. And now I would have to replace this one in order to keep going with the repair. But if I do this one, I would have to most likely do the next one and keep going in this whole side.
Thus, this roof is unrepairable due to the amount of mat transfer here. So by replacing this one shingle, which was the damaged shingle that was approved from Allstate, it obviously caused collateral damage due to the brittleness of the shingles and all the mat transfer. So there's no way, repairs would be feasible with the amount of mat transfer here and the brittleness of the shingle.